Hello, I'm doing okay. We're doing my practice plans. Okay, I'm doing sight singing, rhythm, and conducting for my practice plan 2, my practice plan 3, and my practice plan 5. Say that 2 times as fast. Okay, here we go. Okay. Do, re, mi, re. It's pretty good. Next level. Do. 3, 2, 1. Do, ti, do. Yeah. Let's move to a harder level. Do, re, mi, fa. Let's check that. Okay, let's go to a harder one. Do, ti, la, so. Effort was there. Okay. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, next. Rhythm. Ta, 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 ta. Oh, it's a new one. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ta. Oh, next one. Ti, ti, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta. Beautiful. Oh, this one's gonna be hard. Ti, 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 ta, ti, 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 ta, ti, 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 ta, ti, 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 ta. Ti, 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 ta. T T T T T T ta. T T T T T. Oh, new one again. Ta. T T T T ta. Ta. T T T T T. Oh, ta. T T T T ta. Ta. Okay. That was good. That was good. Last one, conducting. This is a 4-minute video.
And again, for you left-handers out there,
I am a left-hander.
The line is still there. What you're looking at is what the orchestra sees.
Leonard.
Pattern. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, left, right, up. Down, left, right, up. So I want you to do that with me.
Okay.
But I'm going to face the other way so you can see it from the point of view that you would as an audience member.
Okay, Leonard. Slatkin.
And your exercise for the week?
And that's my practice plans.